Hi, good evening everyone. As you know, my name is Satyanarayanan, and yes, today I came here just not because of talking about English. Today just I came here to talk about life. What is the foundation of life? Because I felt somewhere that like what you're doing it, just imagine, because life is not easy. Like, you are sitting quietly ideal, I can say, like, ideal at your home, or like doing nothing, only thinking about others, what others are doing it. That is the very biggest problem, that is the very prominent problem in our life, that we we all we all are thinking about others, what they are doing it. We are not thinking about like ourselves is like what am I doing it, what we are doing it. No, we are thinking about others. That is the biggest problem in our life, which we are making mistake, which we are like pushing ourselves to go ahead, like go like in a hell. Please, humble request to all of you that please try to understand, think about yourself, how many hours work you are doing for your life, what you did today, every single minute. Just utilize your time productively. Talk to yourself, sit alone, talk like, what should I do to become a better person in my life. That is matter here. Life doesn't matter, like, does not matter like what, like you're earning money or becoming the famous or anything. No, life is about like what you're doing like every day, because of consistency matters a lot. Consistency matters a lot. Every single days you're doing it, what you are doing it. Think about it and do productive thing. Talk to yourself like, what did I do today. Think it. Well, I think and I always try to utilize my time productively. Just like today was Sunday. I went somewhere after a long time because I wanted to refresh my mind. It is also very important, because brain will work when you will give space to brain. If brain will not get space, it will get exhausted, tired. So please know, this is the also very important for us to understand what brain are indicating us. Do every day think about yourself. Please do not think about others, what they are doing it. Because our life is not about like thinking about others, like they are coming, they are going, they are getting success, they are not getting success, but why am I not doing it, why am I not getting success? Because you are not working properly. Yes, it is. Because I realized that, since I realized that, I started working on myself. Because I know that it is very important. It is not going to build up within 1 days, overnight. It take time, because great thing always take a time. So remember one thing, you are doing great thing, you are going to start up great thing. Be patient and keep working on, move forward. That is the foundation of life. That is the fundamental to build up anything. I'm not talking about like your work, study, or anything. It can be anything. So please try to learn as much as you can. This is my humble request to all of you. And what I'm doing it, I always think about. Because yes, life is not easy, man. It is very difficult. Until or unless, life, like, nothing going to change until or unless you are changing yourself. So think about it and work on it properly. Talk to yourself, sit alone, ask yourself like, what did I do today, or what I'm going to do tomorrow morning. Instead of blaming others, instead of talking about others, instead of gossiping about others. No. Okay, I think that's enough today. So please keep it in your mind. Keep walking, and move forward. This is what I wanted to tell today. Please take care of yourself, because of health is also wealth. Health is wealth. If your health is okay, you can do a lot of things. But remember one thing: keep working. I'm repeating again and again: keep working and move forward. Then you will able to get outcomes. Thank you so much. Good night. Take care of yourself.